Well, hey, everybody, I'm Paul Grills. Let's get you updated on the forecast. Big bubble of high pressure right overhead, and you know what we always say, big bubble, no trouble. Now, the high gave us a beautiful day today. It is sliding off to the east, and that's going to allow some cloud cover to filter in later tonight into Sunday morning. Not rain, but just more in the way of cloud cover. By Sunday afternoon, I think we'll get enough breaks to call it at least partly sunny. So partial sunshine, not as pretty a day as we had today, but still a day that we can enjoy with temps getting into the low 80s. Now, tomorrow night into Monday, there could be a very light spotty shower at just about any time. But the main event that we're watching is actually this low here, which is going to be triggered by an upper level disturbance that right now is all the way down in Mexico. So that thing's going to kind of swing up and then eastward, and this thing will come eastward with it, and it's going to bring a kind of a compact batch of very intense thunderstorms. So we have two things we have to deal with Monday night into Tuesday morning. There's a severe weather threat and a flood threat. So let's go through it. First of all, for the severe weather threat, depending on how far north that warm front goes, okay, the further north it goes, the more of that steamy, unstable air comes up. The further north it goes, the further north the severe threat goes. Right now, it's just our south zone in a marginal risk for severe storms Monday night, early Tuesday. But again, if that warm front goes a little further north, then we take this slight risk area and move that further north as well. So we'll keep an eye on it, but it appears right now that the primary threat is actually flooding rains for a narrow stripe in the area. Now, this is just one computer model, and again, I want to remind you, the disturbance that's going to cause this is in Mexico right now, so trying to pinpoint its exact location when it gets here Monday night is very problematic. But in any event, this just shows you some potential, and there's going to be a narrow stripe of 2 inches perhaps or more of rain. And notice how quickly the rainfall drops off north of that. So again, depending upon where that disturbance ends up, a little further north, it takes that stripe further north, or a little further south, which is possible, and that takes this further south, maybe even into northern Ohio, Indiana. So we'll keep you posted, but I just wanted to at least bring the potential to your attention that Monday night, early Tuesday is our big weather focus for the coming week, really. Tonight, beautiful sleeping weather, 61 the overnight low, with partly cloudy skies initially, and then we'll see an increase in cloud cover late tonight. Hopefully by tomorrow afternoon, we get some breaks of sun. 82 degrees with comfortable humidity. That means another very nice weekend day. And then the humidity is kept in check tomorrow, but the humidity comes back on Monday, and with mid to upper 80s, it's going to feel kind of steamy. And notice these lows come up into the mid to upper 60s. So Monday night, Tuesday morning is the big storm threat we talked about. Maybe a scattered shower on Wednesday, but beyond that, dry all the way through next weekend. Very comfortable until we get to the weekend when we're going to start heating up again.